In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import and open CSV files in Google Sheets. So you have a CSV file downloaded to your computer and you want to open it and use it in Google Sheets. What you want to do is open up either a brand new spreadsheet or a current spreadsheet that you want to add it to, and then go to File and then Import. And right here, you can even upload it to your Google Drive and import the CSV file here, or you can upload it from Shared with Me, or what I'm going to do today is just upload it from where I've downloaded it to my computer. You can drag the file here, or you can go to Browse and then find the file on your computer. As you can see, it needs to be a .csv file like this one here, and then just double click it or click Open, let it go here, and then this is where you'll need to adjust a few settings. So the import location is going to be where you want it to be imported. Do you want it to create a brand new spreadsheet? Do you want it to insert new sheets into an existing spreadsheet? Do you want it to replace a spreadsheet or a current sheet? Or do you want to append, like if you've selected cells and data information and you want the CSV data to replace the selected cells? In that case, you would have to go back, select those designated cells, and then select this option here. We're just going to create a new spreadsheet with the CSV file, and then the separator type, you can let it detect automatically, or you can use tab, comma, or custom. I would choose detect automatically unless you know what it's talking about here. So go to detect automatically and then go ahead and go to import data. When you do this, it might take a few seconds, and then you can see success file imported, and I want to open that new spreadsheet now, and here it is. Now I can manipulate the data, I can reformat it, and do whatever I may want to do. I have some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment down below. If you have any custom questions, put those in the comment section as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video.